Hello friends, welcome to NiftyHMS. So today we are going to see how you can customize patient appointment form in NiftyHMS. So remember, NiftyHMS has a lot of customization options available readily in admin now. So let's just check it out. So once you log in as a doctor or admin in NiftyHMS, you will see a dashboard like this, and all you need to do is go to appointments. Check up how the ad appointment looks like this, looks like by default. So we select a doctor and then appointment timing, 10 minutes slot or something like that. It will redirect to calendar. We will have asked to be entered name and email for the patient. So this is what the defaults looks like. So now we need to customize this form. So we want to add a few more information. We want to collect few more information from patient. So let's go to settings, custom field. Let's add a date of birth as a patient appointment form field. So that's the first field. Then we'll also add address as a second custom field, that we can record the patient's address. Then the third field that we'll do is additional notes, right? So these are the three fields that we want to have patient filled up details from their end. Let's do one more field. So zip code also we can do. We can also define the mandatory or optional depending on your requirement. So now we go to settings and form settings. So we have these fields that we have just added from the custom fields menu are available over here in patient registration. So we'll just enable them. So we have additional notes and description, the zip code, date of birth, everything is coming up over here, and we can now just save it. So in description you can also add a few more details, with regards to your privacy and terms and condition, or your payment related policy. You can define all those things in additional notes or description. So this will be helpful for patients. So now let's just check and see how the ad appointment form looks like now, because we have a few more fields. So we'll select the time slot, date. So here we have, earlier we used to have only the mobile number, name and email. Now as you can see, we have a few more fields: date of birth, address, additional notes and zip code, that we enter in the custom fields as well as patient form. So this we can now add a few details here, fill up these details, and we'll see how it looks like in the backend for the doctors to review. So we'll add date of birth, address, additional notes, zip code. So these are the data that we are capturing. This was not there in the default patient appointment form. We have added it, and now we are recording this customer values. Let's click on book appointment button. So we can then go and see in appointment list the recent entry that we have submitted. We want to make sure those custom fields that we have created, the data is captured successfully or not in the backend. So you can go down to appointment assessment, and then in additional information field you will see all those details that we enter in the front end are available for doctors to review and check it out. Thanks for watching the video today, and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.